Today we have been trying to read a very popular novel which we have been dealing with, that is Ruskin Bond, Roads to Missouri. And today we will be checking the pronunciation and how fluent you are when you are reading the particular stanza of the Ruskin Bond. We have already covered up this chapter, Trees by My Window. It's a very interesting chapter, and by this practice we have been trying to work on our reading skills, and I have been marking on that part.
Was not the woodkeeper either. He was out there ever. They noticed, for leaning against the bark of the trees trying to break and exact out of a narrow track. But he was still non-barricaded. As for the language, they at my journeys, but did not care for the planters. The nuts seemed to despair early in the morning. Feel I was still bad. So one day I surprised everyone, including myself, by getting up before sunrise. My teacher came back and celebrated climbing out of the reality on the
something to listen to the mellow whistle of a pioneer only or the sigh of a breaking deer.
Stretching their limbs in the dark, shifting a little flash in their fingers, whispering to one another these great trees of the sitting in a dark neighborhood. The editor's line.
Squabbles are ever present, and there is no escape from those reading chronicles that are being.
My name is Mani. I read a novel. Chapter 8. Let's go to the picture. Paragraph 8. Not that everything went smoothly in our small town. Cinemas in Simla, Missouri. Cinema, the picture played visit in fact opened early in the silent era. This was in 1912. The years electric came to the town. Later, its basement floor was also turned into a cinema. I am reading a novel, chapter number 8. Let's go to the picture. Paragraph number 10. In Shimla, we had the Rick and Regal and the Rivoli. This was when I was a schoolboy at Bishop Cotton's. How we used to look forward to our summer and autumn breaks. We would be allowed
Reading a novel from chapter 8. Let's go to the Missouri.
Let's go to the pictures, not Missouri. Okay.
Let's go to the pictures. Paragraph number 11.
You want to go to Missouri? That's why you said Missouri, huh?
New Delhi, the winter of 1943. World War II was still in progress. The whole very plot. My name is McFire. I am reading a novel, chapter 8. Let's go to the pictures. Paragraph number 14. Comedies were my favorites. Letters and Hardy, Abbott and Foster. George Crowley.
I am reading a novel. Chapter 8. Let's go to the pictures. Paragraph number 15. The Statesman, the premier newspaper of that era, ran ads for all the films in town.
and I had cut them out and stick them in a scrap. Let's go to the picture.
Paragraph number 70. My father died when I was 10 and
Let's go to the picture. Paragraph 18.
Let's go to the picture. During the interval, 5 minutes break between the toes and the main teacher.
तो पिछले लगातार 3 दिन से काम चल रहा है, 3 या 4 दिन से, और आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी सारा चेंजेस हो चुका है और कोशिश चल रही है कि इसको हम कंट्रोल में कर लें। पहले से काफ़ी अच्छी स्थिति बन गई। हमने ट्रैक भी बना लिया, लगभग 200 का बहुत ही आराम से ट्रैक बन गया है। 400 का भी यहाँ बहुत आराम से बन जाता, लेकिन हमने 200 मीटर का ही ट्रैक बनाया अभी यहाँ पर। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये। तो अभी इस पे मांझा चल रहा है, थोड़ा सा और प्लेन एरिया हो जाए तो जैसे ये वाला जो एरिया है यहाँ से ही ट्रैक घूम रहा है, तो इस पे दोबारा से निशान लगवा देंगे हम। स्पोर्ट्स डे की जो तैयारियां हैं वो बहुत ही ज़ोरों शोरों से चल रही हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम 200 मीटर के ट्रैक पर बहुत अच्छे से बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे और टाइमिंग भी हम अच्छे से नोट कर पाएंगे। जो हमारे दूसरा ग्राउंड है उसमें आराम से 100 मीटर हो जाता, लेकिन कोशिश ये थी कि इसको भी हम डेवलप कर लें, जिससे कि एक हमारे पास और सेपरेट ग्राउंड हो, जिससे कि बच्चों को और ज़्यादा की बेहतर तरीके से प्रैक्टिस कर सके।